Alright, today we're going to take a look at 10 free vintage styled Lightroom presets. Then we're going to jump into the complete collection, the creative flow, and play around with some professional Lightroom presets and profiles. Let's get to our raw file first, 40mm f4, 1/100th of a second, and let's get to it. So here we have our 10 free vintage presets. Let's open that up. Starting at the top, we've got film, really nice. There's another film one, more of a cooler tone. Then we get into retro. Really cool. It's got a nice film frame, and then we have a white one. Get into vintage, really cool. Then we get into some light leaks, and finally some nice faded sepia style presets. And I'll put a link down below so you can download all these free presets. Okay, so now we're going to go to the creative flow. We have all of our presets here, and here we have all of our profiles. So if you want to find those vintage retro styles, there's quite a few different folders. You can go into vintage here. And if you want the film looks, we have the film emulation folders here. The FE mixes in some profiles. We'll get to that in one moment. And we have the inspired film brands here. So let's go to Kodak inspired presets. One of my favorites is the Portra 400. Film is really nice. Let's go here. There's different variations. So I'm really liking this one right here. There's before, there's after. You notice two things. You get the adjustable preset. You can always intensify the look that way. Go 105. And then you have the profile here. You can use a profile independently on its own. So if you already have your photo set up with grain and everything, you can just bring in the profile to bring in that color and contrast. And the same thing here. You can always just intensify the look using the preset and profile together. Another cool feature is we've got these chroma profiles. You can always blend in nice film fades. So we've got a nice 35mm. Here's a nice chrome profile. So we can just bring that in. It's currently at 100, but then you can add that nice film fade this way. So it's a cool way of coming up with different styles by blending presets and profiles together. So I'm gonna go right at 30, and there we go. Look at the difference there. Really nice colors. And let's do a nice before and after here. Here's before, and here's after. Before and after. Alright, again, if you want to download the 10 free vintage presets, I'll put a link down below. And if you want to check out the creative flow, it has over 1,200 Lightroom presets and 1,200 Lightroom profiles where you can mix and match presets and profiles together and come up with all kinds of different looks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.